3-1, ready to check. Roger that.
Yep. Well, folks, on our military collector segment today, I am at Discovery Park of America in Union City, Tennessee, and I tell you what, I've got to show you something that's really is kind of rare, okay? Now, many of you veterans out there, especially Marines, you're going to probably think, I spent many hours riding to combat in Vietnam in this Jolly Green Giant that's behind me. The UH-34 Delta was a mainstay during the Vietnam War. Well, the folks here have got this one. They restored it. It was found out by a gentleman who does a lot of the restorations, Mr. Wade here at Discovery Park, and spends a lot of his time in finding and restoring these artifacts that belong in this museum today. But he found this in a field. It was almost a rust bucket. And many of you collectors out there know what that's like, okay, and trying to do. And it takes many, many years. But this one is really kind of special. And I'll show you why, is because with all the kids that come through here, and that's why it's so important that all these kids understand the military aspect of our history is what has come before them, and we never want to lose sight of that. But this one, you can actually even go inside it, which is a rarity, and that's what Discovery Park of America is all about, is the Kirkland family that left it, and they built it, and they put it in place. They wanted families and kids to learn something. They wanted them to believe in America and believe in the future and believe in what it is they wanted out of life. And so with this one, this is really kind of awesome. I don't know whether you can see me in here, but I got to tell you, it kind of takes me back a little bit too in my service. They've also got a UH-1 Huey out there that I've spent a lot of rear time on, but you know, this thing really wasn't that big. But for medevac purposes, resupply, and troop movement, the 34 Delta was really that mainstay for the Marine Corps. Again, the Jolly Green Giant, they also had one that they picked up and did a lot of sling loads. You probably remember that one. It had 4 wheels on it, and they could actually pick up containers and stuff. So, but the 34 Delta was mainly a resupply, medevac, and troop movement for the Marine Corps. But right here at the Discovery Park of America in Union City, Tennessee. Log on to their website, and I will tell you, you will not regret the trip. If you're ever in Tennessee, you're in the area, or you want to make it a destination, I tell you, and you love military artifacts, this is one of those places that really is that little niche off into the corner. I need to go there. That's our military segment for today.
3-1, ready to check. Roger that.